Good morning, beta. So today we will discuss about the chapter number fourth of Indian economy, that is industry. That is industry. So, sir, what do you mean by industry? So, first of all, what do you mean by industry? My industry. So, beta, industry is a place. Industry is a place where we convert, sir, raw material into either semi-finished goods or either finished goods. Finished goods. Okay. So, industry is a place where we convert raw material into semi-finished goods or finished goods. So, with the help of industry, it promotes modernization and overall prosperity. Sir, it promotes overall prosperity and modernization. So there are different types of industry. There are different types of industry. So first one is the small scale industry, and the next one is large scale industry. Small scale industry and large scale industry. So beta, we have to know about the small scale industry and large scale industry. First we discussed about the industry. Then we have to discuss about the types of industry, that is small scale industry and large scale industry. So beta, small scale industry and large scale industry. Okay. So beta, in both the industry, just we have to convert the raw material into different finished goods and different semi-finished goods. But the semi-finished goods are those goods which are not fully raw material and not fully finished goods. Just like that, we have converted the uh, log into furniture, but there is no polishing in furniture, and there is no fixation of furniture. That is called semi-finished goods, which is not fully finished goods or not fully raw material. So in this, there are two types of industry, that is a small scale industry and large scale industry. So with a small scale industry, where the labor is much higher than as compared to machinery. So labor is much higher than as compared to industry, that is called small scale industry. It means in small scale industry there is a high rate of labor and low rate of machinery, because there is a because there is beta because there is, sir, lack of capital in small scale industry. से capital की क्या होती है, कमी होती है. That is called small scale industry. And large scale industry, so large scale industry are those industry where the rate of labor is much lower than as compared to rate of machinery. That is, in large scale industry there is less labor and high rate of machinery. So without these 2 points we cannot discuss about the uh, merits or importance of industry. So first we have to discuss about the types of industry, that is small scale industry and large scale industry. So the small scale industry are those industry in which the rate of labor is much higher than the rate of machinery, and large scale industry are those industry in which the rate of labor is much lower than as compared to rate of machinery. In small scale industry, the amount of capital is between 1 crore to 5 crore. Sir, in a small scale industry, the amount of capital is between from 1 crore to 5 crore. And in large scale industry, the amount of capital is above 5 crore. It means those industry which have the amount of capital above 5 crore, it will be categorized in large scale industry. And those industry whose capital is below 5 crore or between from 1 to 5 crore, it is categorized in a small scale industry. So small scale industry is employment friendly. Small scale industry is employment friendly, and large scale industry is not employment friendly. It means small scale industry is focused on employment opportunities because there's high rate of labor. Small scale industry is focused on employment friendly because there is high rate of labor, and large scale industry does not focus on employment opportunities because there is less rate of labor as compared to machinery. Is it clear? These are the two types of industry, that is small scale, large scale industry. Don't forget beta these things कि small scale industry में क्या होता है, large scale industry में क्या होता है. Don't forget the amount of capital and employment friendly also. This is the meaning of industry and their types of industry. We'll share a specific notes with you. So read this out and tell me about कि कोई doubt तो आपको नहीं है. तो next topic is sir, importance of industry. What is the importance of industry? It's just a topic beta, it's just a topic. Industry is just a topic, it is not a chapter, but आपकी बुक में इसको chapter बना दिया गया है, but it's just a small topic. Sir, importance of industry. So the first importance is structural changes. Structural changes. Sir, structural changes, it is called structural transformation. सर आप कह सकते हो अपग्रेडेशन, कह सकते हो अपग्रेडेशन. सर अपग्रेडेशन ऑफ व्हाट बेटा? अपग्रेडेशन ऑफ प्राइमरी सेक्टर, टर्शरी सेक्टर एंड secondary sector. Upgradation of primary sector, tertiary sector and secondary sector. So beta structural changes is like that कि economic growth होगा इसकी वजह से, industry की वजह से. हमारी कंट्री में सर अपग्रेडेशन होंगे with the help of industry. Without industry the transformation or upgradation is not possible. That is called structural changes. Next point is वही मैंने कहा ना सर, expansion of employment opportunities. Expansion of employment opportunities. So with the help of beta, so if we have to increase the employment opportunities, but there is most important point, that is industry. Without industry we cannot increase our employment opportunities, or we cannot decrease our the rate of poverty. So rate of poverty को decrease नहीं कर सकते employment friendly सर है industry. that's why हमारी कंट्री में poverty कम होगी और लोगों को employment क्या मिलेगा? लोगों को employment सर ज़्यादा मिलेगा. that is called employment opportunities. Next one is increase in the rate of economy. Increase in the rate of economy. So beta with the help of industry there is a contribution in GDP also, no? So with the help of industry there is a contribution in GDP also. There is a contribution in GDP also. So increase in the rate of economy means uh, with help of industry there is a contribution in GDP and the rate of economy will increases. So because there are three types of industry: primary industry, secondary industry, and tertiary industry. And there is perspective role of all in the economy. So sir, with the help of industry GDP क्या होगा हमारा सर? इंक्रीज होगा सर. एग्रीकल्चर प्रोडक्टिविटी भी कम हो रही है. सो सर एग्रीकल्चर प्रोडक्टिविटी भी बढ़ा सकते हैं विद हेल्प ऑफ इंडस्ट्री. सब मशीन्स कहाँ बनेगी सर? इंडस्ट्री में तो बनेंगी. तो सब मशीन्स बना के हम एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर को भी इंक्रीज कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. फोर्थ पॉइंट इज ग्रोथ ऑफ, हाँ बेटा, ग्रोथ ऑफ इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर. ग्रोथ ऑफ इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर. सर इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर लाइक facilities like banking, power sector, railway, education, hospitals. It's called infrastructure. So with how industry and infrastructure are related with each other. The industry produces some goods or some machinery for health facilities, for hospitals. In these industries produces hospitals equipments. Yes sir. These industry produces the coaches of train. ना भाई ट्रेन के कोचेस बनाती है इंडस्ट्री. सो दीज इंडस्ट्री प्रोड्यूसेस सम पावर सप्लाई मशीन्स. सर जो पावर सेक्टर में मशीन्स यूज होती हैं वो बनाती है इंडस्ट्री. सर इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, सर रोड्स कंस्ट्रक्ट हो रही है, रोड्स को बनाने के लिए जो इक्विपमेंट यूज हो रही है सर कौन बना रहा है? इंडस्ट्रीज बना रहा है. सो विद हेल्प ऑफ इंडस्ट्री सर हमारे इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर क्या होते हैं? डेवलप्ड होते हैं, ग्रोथ होती है सर. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज self reliance. So what do you mean by self reliance? So the self reliance means when people are self dependent. So variety of industries such as iron and steel industry, electricity, communication, chemical industries, etc. help in achieving the objective of self reliance. सर बहुत सारे इंडस्ट्री से लोग सेल्फ डिपेंडेंट हैं. कैसे सेल्फ डिपेंडेंट है बेटा? एट द टाइम ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस देयर वर ओनली टू एस्टेब्लिश आयरन एंड स्टील इंडस्ट्री, वन इन जमशेदपुर एंड अदर इन कोलकाता. इंडस्ट्रीज हेल्प इन बिल्डिंग अ साउंड बेस फॉर अ सेल्फ रिलायंट इकोनॉमी. लोग सेल्फ डिपेंडेंट हो सकते हैं सर. लाइक इंडस्ट्री सर आयरन स्टील बना रही है, लेकिन सर उस आयरन और स्टील को यूज़ करके बहुत सारे पर्सन भी तो सर सेल्फ डिपेंडेंट हैं. उस आयरन एंड स्टील से बहुत सारे लोग पीपल उस आयरन एंड स्टील का बिजनेस कर रहे हैं सर. उससे बहुत सारे लोग डिपेंडेंट हैं ना. दैट इज़ कॉल्ड सेल्फ रिलायंस. So these are the importance of industry, and there are two types of industry. So read this out. We'll share a note with you.